That's what I've heard.
Yeah, no. I have not quite like that. Oh.
Nice of that, eh?
Ooh, pretty. They're floating a little inland. Ah.
Come on, guys.
That's cool. That was just, they just hit each other. Again.
I'm just worried about these things.
Oh, wow.
Cool. Wow.
Not bad.
I like these high ones.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, pretty. Those are cool, huh?
Where would you have got these? In Walmart? No, not Walmart, but
Costco.
Costco?
Wow.
Really?
I like the colorful one. Yeah.
Gee.
What a nice part, too, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Wow.
Quite the thrust on that.
Yep.
That's what she said.
Stop.
I got it.
Wow, look at those ones go.
Cool.
Oh, right up there.
Whoa. I like those.
So does that blow off a row at a time, TJ?
Pretty much.
So that's what the pum 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 pum, and then it starts the next one.
Cool.
Let me know when you hit that grand finale.
That one's for midgets.
Okay.
There we go. Oh, wow.
Oh, that's
Which one's that, Teach?
As much as I thought it would.
Which one was that? That was the full house, eh?
Full house, yeah.
So when it stops, it's like, you gotta be kidding me.
That was nice. The boats have stopped, TJ. They're watching your show.
Yeah.
Seriously, look, they're not even coming. I'm afraid.
Come on.
Oh,
They're probably so gathered.
Those are nice.
That's beautiful.
Here's the one I don't know what it's gonna do.
Warning.
Oh. Glad I moved away from that.
That's pretty.
Colors are brilliant.
Wow.
They go up one color and they change into another.
Yeah. I like those. Hey?
Did you remember the text
Yeah.
Connor to look at?
Yeah, Livy, did you remember to text Connor?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, just checking.
Really?
I don't bet you they don't have that at Yahoo Beach.
Oh, it's on fire. Uh-oh.
What's that
What?
mean?
Back up a bit. That's not normal. Seems to be doing okay, though.
Really on fire.
Candle?
That's why you're not supposed to hold them.
Oh. That's quite the height there.
These ones are kind of boring.
Gotta be careful.
So how high would these be going?
60 feet.
It's recording, Dad.
60?
That's really cool.
What?
Oh crap.
What?
That's a big
We
one.
got a dud,
That's
but
a big, big dud.
Is it?
Oh, really? Yeah.
Is that the 51?
That's one of the big, big bastards.
The big bastards.
Write them back.
Put it in the fire.
No, I'm gonna have to dissect it. I'm gonna wait about 5 minutes before you get.
Same thing with that one. Oh.
amazing what it does, eh? Like each of them is just spreads.
Yeah, I like the cakes.
Yeah, I like that one.
Just
Yeah.
sit in the water.
You call them cake?
Yeah.
The water.
Yep.
The other ones are mortars.
Oh,
That's the meat. I like those.
that's the
They're
meat.
weird, eh?
You know what? Bastards had nothing on you, buddy.
No babies from there. Those are really cool. I like that.
That's going a lot higher.
Yeah, is it ever?
You're right. The boats haven't moved.
No.
The dud still hasn't gone off.
Nope. I'm waiting for it to randomly go.
Is that the dud?
No.
No.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to dissect it.
Oh, look at the smoke trail.
Take that, New York City 4th of July. Dad, here's your grand finale.
Okay. Oh yeah, I like this one already.
Is that plant?
Yeah, those are by accident.
Oh, hey. They're by accident. They're planned. Sam's just sitting there.
I'm not going too long. Some of these aren't firing.
Thanks for leaving me, Libby.
Sorry. I don't care. You've seen much more fireworks than me, have, Sam. Oh, those are pretty.
That was nice.
Whoa.
Where's the boat?
Guns bad at me, then I crawled away.
Not done yet.
I crawled away from my life.
Only when TJ's here.
Oh, really? Okay.
Oh.
Whoa.
This reminds me of my army days, eh? When the tracers used to follow every 7th round going out there.
Are you running out, TJ?
Gotta be.
They're so different, eh? It's like,
I wish I could say that.
What was that? Kyle?
I said that unfortunately I'm adopted.
Don't you ever forget that.
You're absolutely right.
Those are really weird noises.
It's the noise that they make up there. You wonder how they, yeah, to actually,
It's a pretty good cake, Tooch.
Yeah. My neck hurts.
that's it. You're talking about the cake multi,
Yeah, the multi-pack.
This is just one.
What?
Yeah, this is all one.
Really?
Really? Is that the 50?
No, this is more than 50.
Pretty impressive.
Woo! Woohoo!
That's all?
Somebody else is enjoying it down there.
yeah.
There you go.
Hang on.
One more?
One more.
Picture. Finale. Or kicker.
Was that the dud?
That's it.
That's
we go.
noise, eh?
What about the one you got at dice?